Hello, this is a tutorial video about Pico laser machine. When you receive the packages, you would also receive the components case. Articular arm. Foot switch. Water tube and funnel. Key. Power cable. Eye protection glasses. Please install the machine by following steps. Install the handpiece. Firstly, install the signal cables. Align the gap of the ports. Install the whole articular arm. Then the ventilatory tubes. And another end of signal cable. Connect the foot switch. Align the gap of the ports. Replacement of handpiece tips. You may receive different tips depends on which config you purchased. Connect the treatment tip. If you are using the silver one, you need to connect the signal cable and ventilatory tube. If you are using honeycomb one, you need to take off the cap.
Adding water. Next step, adding water to the machine. There will be a funnel and a tube in the delivery case. You need to prepare a container, vein for example, and the water bottle. Here is the inlet, the outlet, and the overflow. While you adding water to the machine, connect this end to the machine. Then use another tube, connect to the overflow.
Intro of UI. Based on your treatment and the tip you installed, choose from 3 different modes. We enter the 1064 mode for example. Energy. Frequency. And spot size. When you adjust the spot size, pull up and rotate the middle part of the handpiece. Here is the guidance light. Tap here to activate the machine. Now it's ready to work. Tattoo removal. Skin rejuvenation in 755 mode. Choose the honeycomb treatment tip. And select your parameters. Frequency, we could use 2 or 3. The best energy is when the skin feels slightly warm. Use the foot switch to start. 2 or 3 passes around the whole face. Skin pigment removal. Adjust the spot size based on the size of pigment. Here we can start with spot size 4. Energy 400. Frequency 1. Carbon peeling. If you have more questions, please refer to the user manual and customer service.